Do you want those sleeve-busting arms that grabs everyone's attention? The kind of biceps that pop when you are just holding a cup of coffee? In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can grow your biceps bigger, faster, and stronger. No matter if you are a beginner or a seasoned lifter, welcome back to the channel. If you are serious about building muscle, today's guide is going to give you the science-backed and gym-tested method to maximize your biceps growth. And trust me, it's more than just doing endless curl. Let's get into it. Understand your biceps. First, let's understand what we are actually training. Your biceps are made up of two heads, the long head and the short head. The long head gives your arm that tall peak from the side. The short head adds width and fullness from the front. To grow them, you need to hit both heads effectively, not just one. The training blueprint. Alright, here's the growth formula. Progressive overload plus exercise variety plus proper form. Let's break it down. Start with a heavy compound movement. Chin-ups or underhand pull-ups are your best secret weapon. These work your biceps hard while also engaging your back for overall strength. Target the long head for peak. Do incline temple curl. Sit back at the 45-degree bench. Let your arm fully stretch and curl slowly. This stretch under load forces the long head to grow. Hit the short head for width. Go for pressure curl or constitution curl. Keep your elbow fixed and squeeze at the top. Add a hammer curl variation. Hammer curl or rope cable curl will build your brachialis and forearms, giving your arms that thick 3D look. Wrap and set range. Strength and size. 6 to 8 reps for compound, 8 to 12 reps for isolation. Do 3 to 4 sets per exercise. Train biceps 2 times a week for maximum result. Form and mind-muscle connection. Don't just throw the weight up and down. Slow it down 2 seconds up, 3 seconds down. Keep your elbow locked in place and always squeeze your biceps at the top like you're trying to crush walnut. Nutrition and recovery. You can't grow big biceps without fuel. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kg of your body weight. Eat clean carbs and healthy fats for energy. And most importantly, rest. Your muscles grow outside the gym, not during your workout. Follow these steps and your sleeves won't stand a chance. If you are serious about transforming your physique, don't just watch. Take action. Hit the like button so more people can discover these tips. Subscribe to the channel for daily science-backed training videos and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a workout that could change your body. Drop a comment with your biceps goal and let's go stronger together.